Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to the weekend forecast. Before I get on with the weather for the weekend, I just want to talk about a couple of things. The first thing is the website where I get the charts from. It's wetterscentrale.de, and if you go to my links page, just click on the links tab at the bottom of the page here and go through to the links page. You'll see the link for wetterscentrale.de. Click on that and you can go to Weather Central and check out all of these charts yourself. We have all the charts from all the major computer models, and they have a historic archive of charts going all the way back to 1871. The other thing I want to talk about is the advertising. I'm now affiliated with a video advertiser, so before you watch my videos, there'll be an ad sitting on top of the video box. You can look at that ad. It'll usually be a video ad, so you can play that and see what the advert is all about, or otherwise it'll just be a general ad. And if you want to get rid of the ad, you can just click on clear ad or skip ad, and you'll be able to watch my video underneath the advert there. Right, getting on with the weather for the weekend, and we've got high pressure out to the west of the British Isles. We've got low pressure to the east of the British Isles at the moment, and we're in this weak northwesterly flow, and that's bringing down a lot of cloud. We've got weak weather fronts trapped underneath it, so it really is going to be quite a poor couple of days coming up, and then it gets even worse for Easter Monday. We'll look at that in a moment, but for today it's going to be quite a cloudy day across many parts of the country. Could be little bits and pieces of rain or drizzle almost anywhere, and very limited sunshine. A few bright or sunny breaks coming through perhaps in one or two places, but generally it's a cloudy day, a disappointing day with little bits of rain and drizzle almost anywhere. Temperatures today around 12 or 13 degrees, so we're near normal really for the time of year, but of course under the cloud it doesn't feel particularly mild at all. Now, as we go into Easter Sunday, I'm afraid we're going to find low pressure becoming more dominant up to the north of the country, and that high pressure is slipping away to the southwest. So Easter Sunday is going to be quite a cloudy day really again across many parts of the country. Again, little bits and pieces of light rain or drizzle almost anywhere, and perhaps a heavier spell of rain coming across Scotland and Northern Ireland through the afternoon. Could turn quite wet up there in the north on Easter Sunday afternoon, but for the rest of us it's a cloudy, dampish sort of day with again little bits and pieces of rain or drizzle around almost anywhere, and just very limited bright or sunny spells. Sunshine probably always more likely to the east of high ground, but generally I'd say it's quite a cloudy day. Temperatures are up to around 14 degrees perhaps in places. That's 57 Fahrenheit. That's not too bad for the time of year. It's on the mild side really, but again it won't feel that mild because it will be quite cloudy. Now, if you're planning on going anywhere on Easter Monday, I'm afraid we're looking at a very, very poor Easter Monday this year. Low pressure is going to be dominating the weather, and this low pressure here is going to be coming across the country, taking slow-moving weather fronts across England and Wales in particular. So Easter Monday does look like being quite a nasty day, really. The winds are going to be quite strong. The isobars are tightly packed here, and we are bringing in weather fronts as well, so it's going to be a cloudy day with rain on and off all day. If we have a look at the facts charts, we can see that we've got these weather fronts here across England and Wales. They're going to be strung out. This is for midnight on Monday morning, and if we have a look at lunchtime Monday, we can see that those weather fronts are still sitting there across England and Wales, and they're got waves running along. That's indicating that the rain will be pepping up from time to time along those weather fronts. So it does look like being a very, very poor day, as I say, across England and Wales on Easter Monday. Strong winds and persistent and heavy rain on and off throughout much of the day, I'm afraid. So yes, if you're off out anywhere on Easter Monday, take an umbrella and take a map with you, because it looks like being very poor indeed. Further north, it's a case of sunshine and showers once we clear away any of that rain. But those showers could turn wintry because the air will be turning quite cold to the north. So over the higher ground of Scotland, we could see some of those showers turning a bit wintry. But England and Wales, we have the persistent rain on and off throughout the day, driven on by a strong west to southwesterly wind. Temperatures on Easter Monday up to around 9, 10 or 11 degrees, so temperatures probably are around normal or perhaps just a little bit below normal, but it's going to feel cold under the wind and the rain. Now that weather front clears away as we go into Monday night, Tuesday morning, so that cold front will take the rain away overnight. And then as we go into a Tuesday, we're looking at this area of low pressure sitting across the country, and this low pressure will be dominating the weather really for the rest of the week. So Tuesday is going to be a case of sunshine and showers really across the country, and that will be the case really on those days for the rest of the week. Some of the showers quite heavy with the risk of hail and thunder, and perhaps merging to give some longer spells of rain at times in the north in particular. Temperatures on Tuesday up to around 9, 10 or 11 degrees again, but they do drop as those showers come along, so the temperatures will be up and down really on Tuesday, going up in the sunshine and then dropping back once the showers come through. Into Wednesday, back to low pressure is still quite dominant across the country, so again it's a case of sunshine and showers particularly in the northeast, but there could be showers almost anywhere, possibly with a crack of thunder and some hail mixed in as well. Temperatures again around 10 or 11 degrees. Into a Thursday, and low pressure is still dominant, perhaps bringing a bit of a trough through here across England and Wales. That could bring some heavy showers down to the south, maybe some longer spells of rain as well, but it's a case of sunshine and showers really across the country. With the winds going into the north, it's going to be quite cool as well, with temperatures of just 10 or 11 degrees. On Friday, again, sunshine and showers across most parts of the country. Again, some of those showers on the heavy side with a risk of hail and thunder, and some colder air coming down into the north again, so that could see the showers turning wintry up in the north. And then into the weekend, really it's a case of more of the same really. We've got cold air coming down from the north, low pressure is trying to come in from the Atlantic, so we might see some wintry weather next weekend, more particularly over the higher ground in the north, but maybe a few flakes almost anywhere. But really it's a case of showers or longer spells of rain next weekend, and it will be quite cool or quite cold as well, and there could be some frost early and late in places too. So in summary, it does look as though it's going to be a very unsettled week this week again. We've got deep area of low pressure coming in on Monday. Easter Monday looks very poor indeed, with heavy rain across much of England and Wales in particular, driven on by a strong wind. And then beyond that, it's a case of sunshine and showers, and those showers could be quite heavy with the risk of hail and thunder almost anywhere, and almost all parts of the country will be at risk of showers throughout the week. It's going to be turning to cool. It is going to be a cool week, and perhaps getting even colder as we get towards next weekend. And there could well be night frosts on many nights throughout this week. So it is a pretty poor week really, and a very, very poor Easter Monday. That's it for now.